Dr. Bioveda is an Ayurveda company for the 21st century. We combine 5,000 years legacy of traditional Ayurvedic teachings with the most advanced 21st century of bioenergy medicine. Our bioresonance technology, BRT, is the result of more than 30 years of extensive scientific research by international group of scientists, which created proprietary unique approach to restore and multiply efficacy of herbal ingredients. An Ayurvedic formulation treated with BRT becomes very effective and gives the customer measurable results in a short period of time. Time-tested Ayurvedic formulations are re-entering the 21st century as quality of life products, and they are here to stay. Our mission: to improve quality of life and prosperity of the community. Our goal is to help millions of people to regain their health and to improve their financial situation. Our business model allows everybody who tried and love our products to become an independent dealer. You can promote the products on Facebook, sell them online or in your community. All tools are provided to you free of charge. You can earn 20,000 to 40,000 per month working strictly part-time or build even bigger business working with full-time. Dr. Bioveda is a direct selling company. Our focus is to help our dealers to build successful business. Our product line is unique and has now analogous in the world. Once experience the product, customers will keep coming back for more. All our products are food supplements and developed to help customers to improve quality of their life. Metabolife. Metabolife is a natural Ayurveda and biophoton resonance technology based food supplement designed to improve sugar metabolism and reduce insulin resistance. Insulin resistance is a condition in which insulin becomes less able to lower the level of glucose in the blood. Usually, insulin helps sugar move out of the blood and into the body cell. In the cells, the body can use sugar to make energy. If this does not happen correctly, too much sugar stays in the blood. If the blood glucose level is above normal for a long time, this can lead to major health problems. Taking Metabolife supplements in combination with restricting consumption of carbohydrates may help to maintain blood sugar level and improve quality of life. No stress. Stress is a proven risk factor for many serious illnesses, including depression and heart disease, and it may contribute to other health problems, such as insomnia and high blood pressure. For these reasons and more, it is important to control your daily stress, have enough sleep and rest. The No Stress formula improves the human stress response, recognizing energy reserves. This formula helps replenish and sustain the body during stress, decreases fatigue, melancholy or nervousness, poor concentration, and overall weakness. It increases energy production and promotes a stable emotional state. Relivium. The Relivium formula's main feature is its fast and reliable pain reduction, along with suppressing on inflammatory responses. This formula is interacting with the intracellular signaling and interrupting certain inflammatory pathways. Relivium is targeting overall health by reducing inflammation initiated by many factors such as acute or chronic infections, hormonal abnormalities, and a pro-inflammatory diet. It works for temporary and chronic pain, providing for significant improvement of quality of life. Nopetite. The Nopetite formula is created to decrease the appetite during and after fasting or weight loss diet, as well as to aid in the stress-induced food intake. This formula supports the optimal functions of the appetite regulatory center. Most of the popular diets are based on calorie restriction and are not sustainable because of simple hunger. The Nopetite formula helps you to stay in compliance with the diet, promotes sugar metabolism, prevents overeating, and supports a healthy lifestyle. The Somnum. The Somnum maintains a normal sleep pattern. It decreases symptoms of the short-term and long-term sleeplessness caused by stressful situations. Overall, it helps you to fall asleep to increase your total sleep time. Sleep is important because it enables the body to repair and be fit and ready for another day. Getting adequate rest may also help prevent excess weight gain, heart disease, and is one of the most important aspects of quality of life. Our brain is the single most important and complex organ in our body and the least understood. It is a deeply complex system and a vital organ that allows us to experience our lives in a way that is unique to humans and to each of us as individuals. Brain Boost. Brain Boost is a perfect formula for people who wish to perfect and further refine the memory, focus, processing speed, and decision making. Brain Boost is very good for students, software programmers, and everybody who spend most of their time in front of the computer screen. Digestol. The Digestol formula is designed to support a healthy digestive process, so the body can absorb the nutrients and use them for energy or to build or repair cells. Over time, everyone's digestive system works less efficiently, and people can develop food intolerance or begin taking medications that can affect digestion. These changes can create problems like indigestion, gas, bloating, and cramps. By using Digestol formula, we can eliminate the reasons for the digestive issues and can help keep the entire system running smoothly. Imperium. The Imperium formula is designed to support male healthy, vitality, and improve overall endurance. This formula can be used as a general tonic to increase stamina, decrease fatigue, and support male reproductive glands. It supports the production of nitric oxide that affects neurotransmission, memory, pulmonary hypertension, mitochondria biogenesis. It is proven to elevate levels of testosterone. Magnafame. Built from the ground up with female biochemistry in mind, Magnafame is the perfect formula for any woman looking to boost her vitality and overall well-being. With Magnafame, you will have a powerhouse combination to help you support your body and your mind. For those looking to add a bit of punch to their day, or those simply looking for a natural addition to their regular supplement needs, Magnafame can help you be in charge of your energy again. ProFlow. The ProFlow is a natural prostate support formula developed to provide natural relief from symptoms of prostate enlargement. It is one of the biggest health concerns of older person. This formula for prostate enlargement is a herbal remedy developed with biophoton resonance technology that can help to treat the problem. The ProFlow is formulated with potent ingredients that work together to give relief from prostate gland enlargement symptoms and help those experiencing frequent urination and other prostate-related problems. Immune Boost. This formula helps with cold or flus. Immune Boost works quickly and efficiently, often reducing recovery time, and if taken at the first sign of an infection, it may even keep major symptoms from developing. Immune Boost has been designed specifically for the rapid support of the immune system. Developed with high-quality Ayurvedic botanical extracts and bioresonance technology, it is made to quickly restore optimal functioning and formulated for immune support when viral threats are present in the environment at work, school, or during air travel. Ayurveda is a gift of nature. When combined with our unique biophoton resonance technology, it gives us chance to help thousands of people to improve their health. Our business model is the perfect opportunity to create a sustainable part-time or full-time income. The dealership network, the unique way to build a profitable home-based business, a business empire, if you choose to take this opportunity seriously and do it full-time. The business is very simple. You can buy our products at wholesale price and sell it at retail. You would ask what is so unique about it? The uniqueness of this opportunity is in effectiveness of the products. Once customers experiences them, they will always come for more. Our line of products is based on biophoton resonance technology, which is licensed exclusively to Dr. Bioveda and distributed by only authorized dealers of our company. You can sell the products to your friends and relatives. You can sell them online. You can develop your own network of dealers, and you will always get paid for every product sold through any of the activities. We will provide you with the products, help you to finance them, and give you all the tools and necessary training.